In this video, I'll guide you through how to propose new meeting times in Google Calendar. Whether you're rescheduling a one-on-one or moving a big team meeting, I'll walk you through the exact steps so everyone stays on the same page and gets notified properly. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one for work, school, or personal events. Once the page loads, you'll see your calendar with all your events laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your view. You can change that view if you need to, but it's not required for this process. Next, find the meeting you want to reschedule and click on the meeting event. This will open a small pop-up with the basic details like the meeting title, date, time, and guest list. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct event, especially if you have similar recurring meetings. From that pop-up, click on the pencil icon. This is the edit button, and it opens the full event details page. Here you can see everything related to the meeting, including description, location, conferencing details, and guests. This is where you'll actually change the time. Now change the meeting time, look for the date and time fields near the top of the event details. You can adjust the start time, the end time, or even the date itself if you need to move it to a different day. As you do this, it can be helpful to glance at the side panel or your calendar view to make sure the new time doesn't conflict with other events. If it's a recurring event, be aware that Google Calendar may ask if you want to change just this one meeting or the entire series. Choose the option that matches what you're trying to do. Once you've set the new time, click Save. This is usually located at the top of the event page. Before you click it, double check everything, the new time, the date, and that you're editing the correct event. Saving will apply your changes and start the process of notifying your guests. After you click Save, you'll see a prompt asking, would you like to send update emails to existing Google Calendar guests? This is how Google Calendar lets you control whether your guests are notified about the time change. In most cases, especially for important meetings, you should send the update so everyone gets the new information in their inbox and their calendars are automatically updated. To finish, click Send. This confirms that you want Google Calendar to email everyone on the guest list with the updated meeting time. Your attendees will receive a notification and their calendar event will adjust to match the new schedule. And that's it. You've successfully proposed a new meeting time in Google Calendar, updated the event, and notified your guests, all in just a few steps.